Then friends, of course, to tell you about CPT exam pattern, we have two sessions. First session is with the fundamentals of accounting and the mercantile law. It is for 100 marks. And the second session is going to test the student knowledge in the general economics and quantitative aptitude. Friends, at this juncture, let me tell you that for a student who comes from an MEC background, mathematics, economics and the fundamentals of accounting, he will be studying, the same subject will be tested. Only extra they need to have the knowledge is one in statistics and another is in the mercantile law. So about 140 marks is the one which is the syllabus covered in their 10+2 only. So it's not a very tough task, and unlike the next stages in which they need to get in each paper 40 marks, aggregate 50% of the marks, that story is there, whereas here there is no minimum mark that they should necessarily get in each subject is not there. Overall they should get 100 marks. Only thing is there is a 1/4 negative marking, that is if they put wrong answers, the negative marking is a 1/4. So student can very well write 120 correct and 80 wrong, still he will be declared as a pass, because 80 1/4 will give you 20 negative marks and 120 corrects he will put what is it, get into 100. Of course you may ask, Chakravarti, when they are able to know which 120 are correct, then why they need to touch the remaining 80? But for us to talk in a open environment like this, okay, that argument is correct, but once you sit in the examination, you will not be knowing which you have done correct, which you have not done correct. This I only made a point just to tell that although there is a negative marking, don't get discouraged, because still the student has got the a good chance of qualifying, because qualifying percentage is only 50% and the level of knowledge is expected is only the basic knowledge as a point, and student has to obtain a minimum 100 marks and no subject wise linkage of passing, as already I explained, and there is a negative marking of 0.25, and of course blank answers neither give positive marks nor give the negative marks. Then evaluation, yes, this slide also I explained, like even if they put 80 wrong answers, still even in the presence of the negative answering, still they can get 100 marks and 50% will made them to get declared as CPT completed students. Then friends, statistics wise, since 14th September 2006, once that is the first time when the CPT was brought into this particular course, there are about 3 lakh students till now who got registered. Out of that we have passed about 1.2 lakhs. So friends, there is about 40% of people who are getting qualified at this particular level, and of course from 2001 to 2005 till today, this number has got increased to many fold as a point. Then CPT June 2008 exam, we have about 76,000 students who appeared, out of which we qualified about 28,751. It is really an encouraging situation, and the number of registrations that are going up and the number of people who are coming successfully out of the exam is really encouraging. In a professional course like this, definitely this percentage is at a very higher end. And of course, let me tell you, because generally when parents come to you, they will ask you a doubt. Sir, CA course, is it a very difficult course, and percentage of passing, is it less? But friends, please remember, I am as a chartered accountant, as a teacher, as a paper valuer, let me tell you the reality here is that out of the 100 students who apply for the examination, hardly about 50 students are coming prepared, and out of that we are passing about 40 students. The pass percentile is not simply 40%, the pass percentile is at about 80%, because so many students we know come to the exams without completing the syllabus, forget about revision. Revision is a latter part. They come to the exam without much of some of the portions getting incomplete preparation. So you can't expect institute, a professional body, to pass such kind of students who come to the exam with their half knowledge. So we expect the students to come with full knowledge so that we will pass. Even at that level, we are passing about 37 to 40% of the students. And of course, CA/CPT preparation coaching and the total market size, looking at the size of the number of the students, is about 300 crores. Then journey of an article student, of course, at this juncture, let me tell you, this is only for you to tell to the students, not that you are all, that is, you know very well and you are all a learned group. Just to tell you about this, the illiterate of the 21st century, this is our belief also. The illiterate of 21st century will not be those who can't read and write. The one who can't read and write is not an illiterate person, but those who can't learn, unlearn and relearn. So learning is a continuous exercise. Of course, institute is also a great believer of this. That's the reason why, as a chartered accountants also, we go continuously for our continuous professional education seminars as a point, friends. So today, if somebody to whom we should call as an illiterate is the one who never think of making a complete relearning of what he has learned, and life is a continuous learning, as all of you know. So we are now looking at a CA student. See, any person who want to come to the CA should not come to the CA by saying that if I pass CA I need not further study. No. If somebody asks me, their studies really starts only after they complete their CA, because every day is a dynamic day once you are there in the practice, because clients will not come with a standard set of requirements. Every client will come with a different requirements, and we have to completely update our knowledge with respect to the laws and all. That made us to say that if at all any person is an illiterate, he is not the one who can't read and write. Even if you know to read and write, if you don't have the aptitude of learning and relearning, then you are not said to be a, what is it, illiterate. So that is the spirit of the CA profession. So now, from a reading room as a CA preparing aspirant, the travel is to the boardroom as a CFO. What is a long journey they have, and in this process of their long journey from a CA student to the CFO, they come across several teachers, several colleagues, and this journey is really a beautiful journey. Now, as a academy, about KCCA teaching methodology, let me tell you, KCCA's initiative to transform the e-learning, already as I explained at the beginning itself, the whole lot of idea is to give the value added education to the students across the country, and then we are also coming with the blended learning of the virtual teacher plus live teacher with the help of all the business partners like you. So it is more of an interactive learning. Let us stop talking about the e-learning, because e-learning has got its own advantages as well as a disadvantage. So that's what made us to understand that it should not be a e-learning, it should be a I-learning, interactive learning. How we made this to possible? We have developed the network of partners across the country, whereby our business partner is going to engage some teachers and take the help of this particular e-learning module and provide the best education to the student community. So the whole lot of interactive learning happens with listening the video lectures, listening the regular lectures, and attending the mock tests, and taking the assessment reports of their mock tests, and a quick revision notes being given. They need not study for one subject 4 textbooks. All those 4 textbooks are being well analyzed by our research lab and brought them with a good content for them, and it all comes with the DVD materials. This is what our methodology, and we believe in this 3-phase learning. One is student is being assisted with the e-video lectures, then there is a classroom teacher, then he can also take these videos to his house for the revision purpose. So through e-video lectures, we are bringing the best expert faculty onto this particular platform, and using the technology with supporting images and animations, we are going to provide with the video based lectures. And then classroom teacher, of course, is a great support to the student as well as the person who is having a vision to run a coaching center for CA course. And then of course you have web based revisions also. We are coming out with our website also, which will have the test prep program also, whereby the student online can also learn how to write the test and get his performance evaluated. This is a 3-phase learning which we have at the KCCA as a learning methodology and all. Then friends, we have this is CPT programs, 2 modules. First module is CPT Abhyasa, and this Abhyasa we will have a 20-week review program and about 1200 essential things which are required for a student to come out successfully out of the CA course. High yielded areas are being well discussed through the e-learning, and of course again supported by the teacher. Then we have about CPT Sadhana, another scheme wherein each enrolled student will get the benefit of writing 18 full-length mock tests, and we have sectioned the entire syllabus into 16 sections, and section-wise tests also the students who are enrolled with our institute is going to get. Then friends, the Abhyasa session, let me tell you, Monday to Friday you need to conduct the classes 4 hours every day, thereby 100 days 400 hours the students will be getting these concepts. And again Saturday and Sunday let us conduct some tests. And again friends, let me tell you, these tests, just like that we don't conduct the test, again we have a OMR technology, and at the Hyderabad level, once you send the OMR sheets of the students, we will evaluate those things and send back the results to you, and each student will be getting the explanatory notes for the 200 questions and also the lecture by the teachers giving the reasons for the answers and all. Then friends, CPT Abhyasa, we have in the e-learning module, we have about 170 hours for the fundamentals of accounting, mercantile 80 hours, general economics 50 hours, quantitative aptitude 100 hours. Naturally a doubt the business partner may get is, sir, when e-learning and the live teacher both are going to teach, how many hours this particular course? Whichever the subjects you have a very good faculty, then try to make that teachers to deliver the lectures so that the students will attend these classes in their PCs, or if your college has got about 20 to 30 personal computers, definitely the students can be well asked to attend these classes simultaneously, so that a very well good education we can provide to the students. That's what point here is. Don't dispense off with the live teacher. Live teacher is always required for any coaching institute to come up, and also not only for coaching institute to come up, even the students require a lot of moral support and also doubt clarifications and all. You require the live teachers. Of course, we at our level developed the modules in such a way where they are self-explanatory, but the content, human content, always should be there into this particular program. So it is for the individual institute to structure. At KCCA level, we are providing to the institute, teacher and the student. It's about 400 hours of learning module. Then CPT Sadhana, as already I explained, 18 full length mock tests. Of course, these are the timings which we are going to conduct these particular tests at Hyderabad level. At the individual level of your college or the academy, you can think of the timings independently also. The test timing will be 9 AM to 12 PM. Discussion on the test paper will be with a gap of some time. You can structure it out. Of course, here we are doing with a 12 to 3. And so also the mock tests also. And the faculty at our end will be dissecting the logic and reasoning underlying the MCQs. The biggest problem in the present, some of the coaching centers, they conduct the tests but they don't give the explanations, and some of the coaching centers train the students, but once it comes to the point of explaining to the multiple choice questions, they may not be explaining the reasons for that, which is being well taken care under our CPT Sadhana. And topic wise analysis of the performance will also be possible with our technology, in which topic student is weak, so that analysis sheet will help the students to understand where they have to improve, and video based lecture discussion will be there. And by attending these many tests, what will happen, the speed of him will get increased. And really in any competitive examination or a qualifying examination like this, which is being done in the multiple choice question pattern, what is most important is the speed. With the practice, the speed is bound to get increased as a point, friends. And then of course college, what we expect the institute or the college or our business partner to give us inputs. Inputs are mainly premises. Of course, we don't advise you to disturb your regular classes. After the college hours also you can conduct these classes. More and more what we require is the students. We expect our business partners to motivate your college students to the tune of 30% of your enrolled student. If you bring them to the CA orientation, definitely that helps them, so also helps the institute. Then the first business model, let me present before you the first business model. This we call it as a capital and revenue model, wherein the franchisee fees will be about ₹1 lakh, and of course we give complete freedom to the college. They can keep any amount as the fees for this particular CA-CPT, and under this particular model what we provide to you is on payment basis. Material we are going to give for 4 subjects for a cost of ₹1,000, and 400 hours of the video lectures on DVDs to each student. Whenever you order a fresh set, you have to pay about ₹2,000, and 20 Saturday and Sunday test papers. Those students who enroll for that, the test papers and all we are going to supply and value those papers, so you need to pay about ₹2,000 per set, means per student. And then of course if you give the list of students and their address, we will directly post from Hyderabad to the respective student this material and the DVDs, and college need to send the list of the students within 15 days from the date of commencement of the classes. So this is one model which we have. The other model is a capital model. In this, the franchisee fees is about ₹2,50,000, and we don't charge anything extra for the materials or the DVDs, which, let us suppose you have 100 students, we promise we will give that 100 materials, and so also the 100 DVD set, that is each set of DVDs to the each student. Only thing is, compared to the previous model, this model has got what is that, capital cost being more. That is, here only one time for 1 year you are paying a franchisee fees of about ₹2,50,000, and just like the other situation, you need to send within 15 days the list of students who got enrolled with you as a points. And free services from the academy will be, material will be given at free of cost, video to the students who are enrolled with you, for them also we will give the free video contents, and for Saturday and Sunday tests, once you come into this particular model, to your students we will provide you the material as well as the discussion CD, so also the explanatory answer for that particular test. Then of course the third model, and this model, I drafted this model to help the small institutes where even 10 students are there also, they can start these classes. Even if 10 students are there, they can start this particular thing, and this is a very good model in my opinion to the institutes or colleges where they don't have the numbers very much big. Even if 10 students are there, you can very well start this particular session. There it's more of a partnering model. There you don't require to pay any franchisee fees. Here we have 3 partners. One is our academy, KCCA, and then college. Then we also make the teachers in your college as one of our partners. So out of the total fees of 10,000 rupees per student, 5,000 will come to the Kalyan Chakravarti CA Academy, and then 30% will go to the college management, and remaining 20% of the fees will be shared between the teachers. That is 4 teachers are required. They will share among them that particular proceeds. But we will be able to start under this particular model the classes. Friends, please remember minimum 10 students should be there. And here what we say is students need to collect the material from our academy, and in case of this particular model, what we say, 400 hours of the video lecture to the each student, that will be given at a free of cost, as well as the Saturday Sunday tests are at free of cost, and the material also will provide at a free of cost. So for small institute and for small colleges, I advise this model to go, so that management will have its own share, KCCA will have its own share. Of course KCCA share is coming here, friends, not in a very big way, because we have to provide you with the material, and for each students we have to give you the DVDs and also conduct that value that Sunday test papers and give you the Sunday test paper and all that. With that 50% is not a very big issue, but still we love to attract more business partners, because we want to see that KCCA in CA education becomes a situation of a larger institute with more network partners. In fact, that is the whole objective of our designing this beautiful model of revenue sharing model. Then of course win-win situation for business partners, students and KCCA. This is a very much a win-win situation, because what the monetary and non-monetary benefits that colleges will have is, once you say in our college CA coaching is given, a good reputation will come to the college. CA orientation classes can be very well done in your premises only, because the present situation is you are simply sending the student to one coaching center, and complete domination of that coaching center is there on the institute, on the college, and your regular classes are going to get disturbed by your sending the students to the different coaching centers. Now in our model, you can retain your students, you can with a great commitment can conduct the classes with all confidence, and good revenue also will get generated once models are working very well. No extra cost on the teachers and their training, because our modules will help your faculty also, so they can very well get trained into how to teach the students also. Of course, again with a rider saying that we never underestimate the knowledge or the ability of your college faculty, but we only say that our lectures will help to drive the students in a particular manner. And of course we promise that during these sessions when they are going in your college, definitely we will provide some expert visiting faculty from our end to your college, not on a very regular basis, but definitely in a session about 4 or 5 times. Then friends, of course, this is not a society which started its activities in the education in the last 1 or 2 years. Over a period of 12 years we are there in existence in the education to the CA students. You can very well make use of our brand name, and then complete exposure to our training methodology, and you will get a guidance in how do you market it. Of course, we encourage you to take the other students also although they are not your college enrolled students, you can very well take them. And of course, the biggest advantage is college will be given one set of videos which n number of times they can play on one particular personal computer. So there is no such a situation that we will give you a video which can be played only for one time or two times. The students, what the videos that they are getting, they are going to be played in their systems for 5 times as a point, friends. And then of course, free valuation of Sunday test paper. This is a very biggest task which KCCA will take on to it, leaving the college management to a relaxed situation. And I'll come personally there to give an introductory lecture to the students at the time of commencement of the class, and my video is there on approach to the CA exam, which also can be shared with the students. And our faculty team will come regularly to your college to provide you with the guest lectures. And we are developing a website, and through our website we will advertise your college also. And since the presence will be there throughout the nation, the advertisement will come throughout the nation. Then we also conduct certain seminars in the form of knowledge enrichment, so your students can very well participate without any entry fee in that particular seminars. Of course, friends, last but not the least, it is that once I say it is a franchisee model, my involvement is not getting end with your signing the franchisee agreement. I am always there with you. More than with you, I am there always with any CA student who joins with you and will undergo the training under your live teacher and in the e-learning module with us. So our commitment to you and your students is a complete commitment. Then of course, friends, let me tell you, the students, what they get by all this exercise is, once they come to the CA course, definitely by the time they leave your college, they'll get into some sort of analytical mind, good communication skills will go up, self-determination situation will come into them, and hard-working attitude also CA course will develop in the student. Much important is the patience. Even if a student is impatient, after coming to the CA course, he should become a patient person with a patience. And I have got n number of students with me who transformed like anything from a situation where they used to be less hardworking and very irritative kind of people, also ultimately by the end of their third year of articles transformed into a good human beings. Ultimately that is the whole lot of purpose of any education, but CA transforms any students with getting all these qualities in him which will help him to be a best human being. Self-confidence, commitment, forward-looking, optimism, these are the attributes, these are the qualities which any CA student is going to get before he becomes a chartered accountant. Then we are giving a complete orientation towards the CA, and the lectures are being given by well expert faculty, and then of course teachers to assist the students in their learning, because we are coming with the iLearning module. Our learning is a e-learning plus a live lecture, and DVD materials is at a free of cost to our enrolled student. Naturally what will happen, friends, they will get a good lecture for a revision also, which probably other institutes may not be able to provide. And of course free seminars and monthly reviews in a public hall, and monthly based, that is Sunday tests, monthly tests, these things also we are conducting through our channel partners in the form of franchisees like you. And with all this, let me thank all of you for giving a patient listening and giving me an opportunity to explain you a good business model to you. Thank you.